Hello friends, today we are going to see one of the concept in Java, which is iterator interface. So let's understand what is interface in iterator interface first. It is an interface that provides method to iterate over a collection object. And it is part of collection framework and used to retrieve elements sequentially. The iterator interface is found in java.util package. There are few methods which we use to traverse through the collections. For example, like boolean has next, it return to if there are more element to iterate over. Like element next, return the next element in the iteration. While remove the last element returned by the iterator. This method can only be called once per call to next. Let's understand this with example. We will create one example here for the iterator. So let's create one example, a small example. Here I am creating one list which will have string, and we will use that as a names equal to array list. Let's import this class list. What's wrong here? List is present in java.util. Array list equal to new array list we need to create. Once creating this, it is a type of generic. We will add some element in this names dot add method is there. Let's suppose I am adding few names. Here I am adding Sandeep. Then names dot add Rameshwar. Names dot add name is Karthik. Now we can iterate over this list. So for that we need to get iterator first. So how we can get iterator on our list? So for that I am using iterator of string and itr equal to names dot iterator is method present there, which will give us iterator over this list. Now we got the iterator. Now what we can do, we will iterate over each element. So for that we need to use some method like has next. This method will give us element in the our list collections. So I am using here to iterate for this while we can use iterator dot as next iterator iter dot has next, then we will print the element in the given iterators. Let's use here string name equal to itr dot next, and we will print the names. Let's run this and see the output what we will get here. We should get element in the list interface from the list objects. Okay, names is already used. we will use only name. So it will won't complete will not occur with these names. It's running. After this, we got the name in the list. Now we will remove one of the name from the list. For that, I am using iterator names dot remove. Will pass the name Sandeep, which will it should just we need to check if names dot equals, then we can remove. Suppose here if names dot equal Sandeep, then we can names dot we can use this method remove names dot remove. Here we need to use iterator, so I am using iterator dot remove. ITR we are using ITR dot remove. Then after removing this, we will print our list. So after that, I am using yes out. Yes out. After removing elements, we will print or like previously we did string name from names, and we will print names. Yes out names. Let's see this will work. It should work. Here is str. This is the incorrect. String string name. Now it is taking. Let's run this again and see the if it is removed or not. Here we see only after removing. So after removing elements and the Rameshwar is there. So we need to check what happened with our code. It names dot equals. We have not used here bracket. Opening and closing bracket we need to use. So it should get inside. If this condition 2, then it will go inside and will remove that. And we will print this outside. As it is printing 3 times, I will use outside. Let's rerun and see the output. After a while, it is not removing. Sandeep Rameshwar Karthik. Name dot equals iterator dot remove. Let me check once this. We need to take this inside this while loop. So let's remove from here and use names. Name instead of names. Now we will try again and see. Now it should remove. Here after removing Rameshwar and Karthik. That's it from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.